Kamusta po? Welcome back to my channel. This is Eliza Anderson, your trusted realtor, advisor, and investor here in Los Angeles, right here in the Valley. Today, we're going to talk about how you can spot undervalued properties perfect for wholesale real estate. In my book called Skin in the Game, A Guide to Real Estate Investment, which is available on Amazon, I share tips about understanding your local market. According to this data, knowing your neighborhoods and tracking prices can help you discover which areas in the San Fernando Valley offer hidden potential. One easy way to find great deal is by looking for distressed properties. For example, homes that are in foreclosure, probate cases, or those that are clearly neglected. These properties are usually priced lower, making them ideal for wholesalers. Also, don't underestimate the power of networking or use your sphere of influence. Talk regularly with local agents, contractors, property managers, and neighbors. Often they will know about opportunities even before properties hit the market. Also, driving around your neighborhood, we call this driving for dollars. It's another simple method. So watch out for signs like boarded up windows, overgrown grass in the yards. These are obvious neglect. So if you see this, these are great indicators of properties that could sell for less. Also, using online tools can make your search easier. You can use sites like PropStream, Zillow, Redfin, or even checking county tax records. You can quickly help identify properties with potential. And according to their data, properties with overdue taxes, pre-foreclosures, or high equity can be especially promising. So guys, before you jump into any deal, always do the math, okay? Figure out the property's potential resale value after repairs, calculate your expenses accurately, and ensure if there's going to be a good profit margin. Okay, quick disclaimer, guys. Remember, this is just an educational information, okay? Not a financial advice. Always do your own research and do your own due diligence and talk to your financial advisor before making any investment decisions if it's going to be a good deal. But if you need someone to help you analyzing deals, I am here for you. If you need for me to check out off-market properties for you, I can help you do that because I have a ton. And I'm also inviting you to please join my Facebook group called Off-Market Properties in California. It's free to join. You can join anytime you want. Every day we offer off-market properties on site every day. So please check it out, okay? And what else? Oh, you can also sign up to get regular email coming from my website. So if you want, you can also check out my website at www.elizaandersonrealty.com so I can send you deals every day. Okay, so there you go, guys and girls. Again, this is Eliza Anderson, your trusted realtor, advisor, and investor in Los Angeles, right here in the Valley. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, please, below with any questions or share your investment stories with us. Thank you, guys. Mwah.